guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to click the subscribe button below, click like and hit the notification bell as well for you to get notified of my upcoming videos. So for today's video, I am going to share to you guys what I do every week to moisturize my face and to get rid of that dryness, oiliness, and all the imperfections on my face. I am sharing this to you guys because it was proven effective by myself. I started doing this like 2 months ago, and this is really effective, and I've seen a lot of improvements on my face. My face was full of scars before, especially here on my left cheek, and I always use concealer to conceal them, and I'm just getting tired of it. And I want to do something that is very natural or organic, and I just don't want to use a lot of facial products anymore because I feel like they make my skin a lot more dry. My skin type is a combination of oily and dry. Like here in this section on my T-zone, this and this section as well, especially this and this part on my forehead, those are very dry. And here on this side on my cheeks and here on my forehead, on the top of my forehead, it's very oily. And when I started doing this facial scrub, it improved a lot. Like, it is very even already. I got rid of all my acne scars. There's still some left, if you guys can see it. I'm gonna show you. There's still some left, but it faded a lot. What I like about this green tea facial scrub is that it is very easy to make. Some of you guys might probably have all the ingredients at home. The ingredients are very basic. You can also add some more stuff in there that you think will help improve your skin, or you can lessen it. If you don't have one ingredient, let's say you don't have honey, you can always use sugar as an alternative, or you can even use your own cleanser in your bathroom. So here in my facial scrub, I am going to show you 3 ingredients. So today we're just going to do my basic facial scrub, and I'm also going to show you my other ingredient. We're not going to be making that second recipe, but I'm going to tell you guys the ingredients of it. So yeah, I'm going to go now in the kitchen and I'll show you guys how I'm going to do it. I just moved everything here in the bathroom so I can explain it to you guys better. So here are ingredients, of course, our raw organic honey, and I have here some olive oil. Green tea, I am using this brand. Just 1 green tea bag is enough for 1 use. And of course here we have some hot water. Okay, now let's start this. We just have to make some green tea right now, and just pour the hot water there. Let it steep for 2 minutes. Okay, so our green tea is ready. It's been more than 2 minutes. I'm just gonna put the green tea straight here in my small bowl, and I'll let that sit there for about 2 minutes or maybe less, just to let it cool down a little bit. And let's stir our green tea, and let's not waste that. Let's drink that. I don't know if you guys are a fan of green tea as well, but I really love green tea. When I was young, I'm not a fan of it. I think it's gross. I didn't really like the taste of it. And I have this friend of mine. She's just like my second mom before, and she told me her recipe of a really healthy green tea. Every day she's boiling water with lots of ginger, and then she's going to pour that water into her cup. And then she's going to dip her green tea there, add some lemon or cucumber, and I think it's really healthy. And after learning that recipe, I did it every single day of my life. And yeah, I stopped doing it when I got here in the States because I got really busy when I started working before during my internship program. And I'm trying to lose some weight, and it's not really healthy. So I started doing this again. So right now, I'm still kind of fat and chubby. It is fine, but as much as possible, I really want to lose a lot more weight because it's hard. Like, my tummy is big and I have lots of fat bellies here on my stomach, and I want to get rid of those. So yeah, I'm drinking this every day. And yeah, I started drinking this again. Also, another tip when you're drinking green tea, don't add any sugar or honey in there because it lessens its effect or its effectiveness. So as much as possible, just drink it as it is. Okay, now let's do this. I'm just going to cut the top edge of that tea bag and pour all the green tea there. After that, we are going to put 1 teaspoon of honey. 1 full teaspoon. If you guys don't have honey, you can always use sugar. After that, we're just gonna put a little bit of olive oil in there and just give it a nice mix. So my mixture looks like this, not very thick. I like it that way for some reason. So for those people who have a lot of acne scars, you guys can add a little bit of rice flour to this and just some drops of lemon juice. Don't put a lot because too much lemon juice is not good for your skin too, especially for your face. Okay guys, now our green tea scrub is ready to go. We're now going to apply this on our face, but make sure before using this, you should have nothing on your face, like zero. No concealer, no makeup, no foundation, nothing. Let me just tie my hair really quick.
Yeah.
Tyler is here. Okay, so just make sure your face is clean. No makeups. Can you clip this hair? Make sure you put it there, like right there. Thank you. Okay, now just spread it all over your face, especially on your dry and oily areas. I would suggest you guys to do this in the shower, like when you're about to take a bath. So Tyler, you're so annoying. So it won't be messy because some of the green tea scrubs are... Gosh, Tyler. He's like that. He's always like that. Okay, so again, I would suggest you guys to do this in the bathroom, like inside the shower, so it won't be that messy. And so you can also scrub this on your neck. Right now I don't want my shirt to be wet, but so I'm just gonna put a little bit here. But you guys can also use this scrub for your arms, for your legs. It's gonna be really effective, I promise. I'm gonna focus here on my cheeks because that's where all my scars are. And when you're scrubbing your face, just make sure to do it very, very gentle, because your facial skin are very, very sensitive. Also scrub here on my eyelids, under my eyes. I also scrub my lips here around my nose. After doing this, guys, once you're done washing this, you're going to see some redness on your face. That's normal. Don't freak out as soon as you see those red spots on your face or redness, because they're gonna fade away after like 5 or 10 minutes. Okay, now I am done. This is what I look like. I'm just gonna let this sit on my face for about 8 minutes so my facial skin can absorb all the moisture. Okay, now let's wait for about 8 minutes. Okay, now I am back. It's sticky, but it's okay. We'll have good effects. It's been 8 minutes already, and we're gonna wash our face and our neck. Now it's so sticky because of honey. Just gonna wash this really quick. So I used the lukewarm water to rinse off all the honey and green tea and olive oil stuff here on my face. After making sure that my face is now clean, I am going to use cold water, like the coldest water, to close the pores of my facial skin. Now, give me 1 second. I'm just gonna use a soft towel to dry my face. And sometimes if I don't feel lazy, I do this twice a week. So right after rinsing my face, I'm going to be using my Cetaphil SPF 15 Daily Facial Moisturizer to moisturize my face. So you have to do this right after drying your face. Also some on my neck, just upwards and round motion. My eyes, my eyebrows. I will also moisturize my lips with chapstick. Now I feel so moisturized and fresh. I love that feeling, guys. Please try this. It is very effective and it's very cheap and affordable. You don't have to buy those crazy more than $50 kind of facial products to achieve a really good looking and bright skin, a healthy skin. Whatever you have in your kitchen, sometimes you gotta be resourceful about it, and green tea and honey are like the best ones that you can use for your face. Okay guys, if you like this video, please give this a thumbs up, and again, if you're new here in my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button below, click like, and hit that notification bell as well for you to get notified of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much, guys. Love you all.